Best smartwatch. New ZEBLAZE THOR smartwatch. Obvious advantages. Android 5.1 system. 3G, 2G network. 1.3 GHz quad-core. 5.0MP front camera. 16GB big storage. 1.39-inch Super AMOLED 400x400px, 326 pixels. Gorilla Glass 4. GPS global positioning. All-day activity record. Customizable clock faces. Heart rate plus static, dynamic. Heart rate sensor, proximity sensor. New breakthrough from inside to outside. In order to bring you more definite photographing experience, Thor is equipped with the 5MP HD front camera, and a customized and optimized image processor. 5MP front camera. Video call and take photos. Assess exercise results. After exercise, it can provide rich data analysis report, making your exercise more efficient and safer. Different from the average with metal curve. In order to keep smooth curve, Thor skips the primness of ordinary smartphones. Innovation double-layer industrial design and utilized 316 liters stainless steel, 4th-gen glass coring. Committed to creating intelligent sensors, it's about you and finding better ways to help you live a healthier, more active life. Heart rate monitor, proximity sensor, accelerometer sensor. ZEBLAZE THOR package contents. Thor 3 grams smartwatch. Charging cable. Screwdriver, 2 screw. English manual. Package. Check the description below for price and details. Subscribe our channel. Thank you.